Welcome to another episode of Gill Construction Solutions Ask Annie. If it's been a while since you've completed a remodeling project in your home, or maybe you've never done one yet, but you're considering it, you might be wondering, what's it like? Well, the procedure is messy, dusty, noisy, loud, hard, and yes, disruptive. But knowing that in the end you're going to have a wonderful space to use makes it all worthwhile. Your contractor is going to help you in some various ways. One will be to try and keep the dust and dirt down. They'll construct a plastic sheeting wall that will help with that, and I'm going to show you a picture of what that could look like. Here's that plastic sheeting wall. That's to try and keep as much of the dust inside the work area as possible. They'll also clean up their workspace each day prior to leaving. Now, once they're totally finished, you're going to want to go back in and replace all the air filters in your HVAC system, as well as give your house a good cleaning. There's just no way to totally keep all of that dust out of your home. If you're not replacing the floors in your home, then they're going to cover those up in the work area and in the entrance and exit spaces that the construction crew is using. And this is what that can look like. See that heavy duty paper they put down? They want to protect your floors as best they can. Your contractor is going to communicate with you hopefully clearly every day, keeping you updated on the progress, and he'll try to minimize any distractions while answering any questions that you might have. Now, remodeling can be kind of emotional. You may have some tears along the way. However, realize that once you get to the end of your project, you're going to have tears of joy and you're going to be so excited to begin using your new space. If you're doing a kitchen remodel, you may be relying heavily upon takeout food or restaurant fare during your renovation, but you can also set up a little makeshift kitchen to help with some basic meals for your family. I know my husband and I did that when we remodeled our kitchen. You can have a table set up somewhere so it gives you some workspace. Use your, move your microwave, your toaster oven, your coffee maker for sure to that area. And that way you can zap some breakfast instead of going out, or you'll just have an area there to make sure you have that coffee if you're like me. I need it every morning. Using paper plates, disposable cups, and utensils can also help so you don't have to worry about having access to water. Your contractor may set up a little water station for you, and that's always a great help. Utilizing your grill outside to cook some meals on is also helpful if the weather allows. So, yes, remodeling is messy, it's dusty, it's noisy, it can be loud, it can be hard and disruptive. However, it is so worth the end result. Please leave me some comments below. If you enjoyed our episode today, please like it and share it with others. I'm Annie Good, and it's my pleasure to bring value and insight to your remodeling projects. Be blessed until next week.